The change of base property is one of my favorite properties because it allows me to take any base and change it into a base that's on my calculator. So either that natural log or that common log. So I am a huge fan of this property. And this is how it works. If you have log base b of m, so any base at all, choose whichever log you want. So log base a, whatever you want the base to be. Base e, you'd write it as natural log. If you choose base 10, you would just write it as common log. And write the number goes in the numerator and the log of that base goes in the denominator. And then you can plug that in your calculator and evaluate it as necessary. So let me show you a couple of these in practice. All right, so say you have log base 7 of 2,506. All right, and say you need to evaluate this and get a decimal answer, which of course I don't know base 7 like the back of my hand. I know base 10 like the back of my hand, but not base 7. So this is what you can do. First of all, decide what base you want to use. Some people love the common log, some people love the natural log. In this case, it doesn't matter which one you choose. I choose natural log simply because writing ln is faster than writing log. Again, completely subjective. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as the natural log of the number first. So the number goes in the numerator. So natural log of the number, and I'm going to divide that by the natural log of the base of the problem, which is 7. And if you put in that in your calculator, you should get approximately 4.02. So again, it's just a matter of you learning how to use your calculator and put it in correctly. And it also doesn't matter. If I were to choose the common log, so I would do the common log of 2,506 and divide that by the common log of 7, which I can also put that in my calculator. Turns out I get exactly the same thing, 4.02. So don't be afraid to change the base if you need to so that you can get a decimal answer. That will happen a lot in real life. We will do a lot of application problems later on in a video. So you will definitely need to use this property on the regular for those. So go ahead and practice that change of base property. It will pop up in a couple of lessons as we move along, and I'll see you next time.